previously. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Rombo, and if you are clicking on this video for the very first time, karibu sana. If you are a loyal fan who has always been here and you've clicked on this video again, thank you so very much. Now, I don't want this video to be so long. When I did the beauty video last time, I said my next video is going to be about eyebrows, and that is what this video is about. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. Okay, things you need. Now you need something to brush and lay down your eyebrows with, and also just give it shape. That is why I have that. Next, you need well-sharpened eye pencils. For me, I use eye pencils in the shade number 18. Next, you need a concealer, whichever one you can get your hands on. Just make sure it is one shade lighter than your foundation. Next, you need a brush like this to help you clean out your brows. Next, make sure that your eyebrows are well shaped, or rather trimmed, so that it is easier to follow your natural eyebrow while drawing them. And just in case you're wondering why I'm looking down, that is where my mirror is. First things first, this is the first step. So here we are just brushing down the eyebrow hair and laying them down. This is because kuna zile usumbua zimesimama, so just making sure that they are all in good shape. Now you don't have to use this tool that I'm using, which I don't really know the name, but you can also use a toothbrush. Step 2, this is where we are drawing our eyebrows. So I'm here to give you a few tips. Now, when you are drawing your eyebrows, just make sure that you are following the natural shape of your eyebrows. That means the ends, mali nywele zinaishia, just do that. That is why I told you, make sure that your eyebrows are well shaped or rather trimmed, so that it is easier for you. Now don't be afraid of being messy, because we are gonna clean that. Next, we're gonna fill that in. Now here's a trick I normally use. So I have two eyebrow pencils. So I use one for shaping for the structure, then I use the other one for just filling in. Now here is a trick that I found out, that when you're filling in, just do that in upward motion, so that you follow the way your hair is structured. That way inakuwa like it's just your natural eyebrow. So fill that in to your satisfaction. Then we're gonna go to the next step. So I went ahead and did the other one off camera. So now what you're going to do next is clean up, and this is where the concealer comes in. Now this concealer, I forgot to mention the name when I was introducing the items. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and as I said before, just make sure that it is a shade or two lighter than your foundation. So again, what we are going to do is just make sure that you are following the line that you already drew while you were drawing your eyebrows. So for now, we're just gonna clean out, and just, where you were messing, that is what you're going to clean. So hapa ndio kazi iko. Na hapa ndo kama unakunyonga pombe mingi it's gonna be so difficult for you to focus. Inahitaji 100% focus. See how I was struggling, man. But it gets easier when you do this over and over again. It gets easier, I promise. So you remember that brush that I showed you while I was introducing the items? This is where it comes in. Now, a little secret: if it is a beginner, of course, a beginner, just ili usaidike, like use very little product so that it is easier for you to blend that in. So now we are just, as I told you, you follow the eyebrow structure, or when you umechora, just follow that, then just blend that in with your skin. Then from there we'll be done. See how that is coming through? Splendid. Don't worry about the excess, because we're gonna clean all that out while we are doing the foundation. That is why I normally love starting with my eyebrows first. So my people, after 4 minutes of really struggling, we are done. This is the end product. So I'm gonna just finish off my makeup and then come and outro this video.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it.
Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so very much for clicking and watching this video. Please let me know down below in the comment section what you think. Let's talk. If there is anywhere I got wrong, please let me know. If there is anywhere that yeah, let's grow together, let's learn together. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. If no, dislike. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about my face bit. Other than that, don't forget to be kind to people. Please just be kind, spread the love. Till the next time, bye. Love you guys.